At 11, a staff member at the Henry County Jail is now sounding the alarm on conditions inside. He believes now is the time to speak out to try to save lives.
11 Alive's Cody Alcorn sat down with a staff member who asked that we hide their identity and then took their concerns straight to the sheriff.
Where is staffing right now inside the jail?
Staffing should be between 30 to 35, and right now we're lucky if we have 6 to 8 officers show up. So we're at a third of what we used to be.
How many inmates are we talking that are housed inside that jail daily?
Anywhere from 800 to 900.
This staff member risking it all.
What do you tell people that are going to say this person's just disgruntled, they don't like their job?
I love my job. I feel like these inmates and officers deserve so much more. I don't feel like I have a choice.
4 inmates have died since January, the latest death this past Friday. Henry County Sheriff Reginald Scandrett.
In the almost 4 years we've been here, it's been 6 in custody deaths, and it's been 4 in 2024.
Acknowledging his jail has a problem.
It's a situation now that we certainly are not comfortable with. I want to be very clear that our highest concern or our biggest concern are our people here.
Those people with their own concerns.
There's too many lives that have been lost. And the next one, I'm afraid, is going to be one of my fellow officers, and I won't be able to take that because I'll feel responsible. It's not fair.
Earlier this month, a staff member was hospitalized.
He was attacked. There were shanks involved. He could have been seriously hurt, if not killed, and he has a family.
The sheriff pushing back.
Even if I had an officer per inmate, if a person really wants to take their life, I don't give a darn who you are or what you do. They have the wherewithal to do that. They can do it.
Just from talking to you in this short time, I don't understand how that jail functions.
It doesn't. It's coasting at best.
A staff member's view versus the sheriff's view.
We're in a progressive mode. And I want to say that strongly, that when I got here, I inherited a mess. So no, we're not in crisis mode. We know exactly what's going on. We know exactly which direction we need to go. We know the cost that it takes to get there.
The sheriff says they've hired 20 new deputies in the last month. He says one big issue, pay, and they're competing with 158 other counties across the state.
You know, Cody, this is an amazing story. So how does Henry County compare to the other jails across Metro Atlanta?
Well, Ron, really it is not unique to Henry County. What we can tell you, though, is this is the first time a current staff member has gone on the record with 11 Alive with a first-hand account. And I can tell you, this staff member was visibly shaken during our interview, knowing what was at risk, but said it's to the point the public has to know what's happening inside.